Now we are in the Saint Mary's Square, near the blacksmith door, where we can see this beautiful suture, the Saint Mary's suture. It is here thanks to a group of people that came from the Calatañazor area and repopulated the village back in the 12th and 13th centuries. This suture opening is made on simple masonry walls. It is of Gothic style. As a secondary entrance, it had wooden turning doors and entrance rights. The picturesque square where it is located is surrounded by typical streets and hallways that run parallel to the city wall. It has really thick walls and a hanging access that made it impossible to enter through its door in a straight line, thus making it difficult for potential enemies to enter the village. The Romanesque temple, over which the actual one was built, is thought to have belonged to the same period as well. As a curious fact, on the 16th of March 1888, at 9:13 at night and causing the neighborhood panic, the city wall situated between the St. Mary's and the Blacksmith Gate collapsed. The suture was reformed in the 17th and 19th centuries, during which the Romanesque industry that was there was lot. Continuing with our visit, we move on the main square, between the palace and the St. Michael's Temple, where we find the city wall suture that takes its name from the neighborhood church, St. Michael's suture. It consists of an opening on the wall with a pointing arch and harbor. This opening was closed up for a while, but nowadays it gives way to a balcony from where you can see the Arboleda and the Duero River.